Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix not secure error in WordPress. We have SSL active. Now in domain you see HTTPS certificate active, but on WordPress website click on it, you see not secure. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin and we are going to force HTTPS certificate and not secure error show or warning show because of mixed content. Our website load content HTTP and HTTPS both. So that's why I show warning not secure. So this is our warning. Now go to plugin. On left side you see add plugin. So click on it. So you can install any SSL certificate plugin. In search plugin write SSL. So we are going to use this plugin, really simple security, simple and performant security. So click on activate. So you can install this plugin and then activate it. And then you see activate SSL. So click on it. Now you see an SSL certificate has been detected. So click on activate. If you want, you can fill this information. So it's up to you. Skip. Now go to website and refresh the page. Now you see secure. Connection is secure. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.